is shining. I know. Hey, I noticed a couple things yesterday when I was doing that video. One, it's dark in here. The lighting was all kind of off because it's bright outside and it's dark in here. The other thing I noticed, well, my son actually pointed it out to me, is that Cliff is a bitch. Now, I don't even know who Cliff is. This barn was here when we bought the property and built the house a few years ago. So, as you can tell, this thing has not really been touched. But anyway, today I want to try and lighten it up just a little bit. So there's a light right here that you can tell is not really functioning very well. And this is a rat's nest, I know. But when we rebuild this barn, we will take care of all that and get it all dialed. I'm a professional. So today, anyway, it's gonna be the simplest thing, and the way that it works is we're not gonna have to pull a permit on this because it plugs right in. So I'm gonna go set you guys back down, and I'm gonna get to it on replacing that light and see if we can't lighten it up a little. Let me turn you around and adjust. Oh my gosh, that's way better. And it was like not even 5 minutes. Now that we got a little bit more light, I think we'll work on getting these wires inside the boat. So I ordered a armored cable off Amazon, and it's a big enough diameter that it'll fit all these wires. And then it also has these nice little dress up deals, kind of make it look nice. So run your drill in reverse when you're doing this. When you're drilling through gel coat, you want to run your drill in reverse. It will go. I'm into the wood now. So I'm through that gel coat, so I should be able to go in forward. Okay? Now another important thing that you want to do when you're making holes in fiberglass or gel coat is you just want to chamfer them edges. You don't want a hard edge on your gel, but if you just run a little bit of a taper and just soften that edge, then your gel won't crack. So I've got dinner plans tonight in about an hour and a half. Got to go get ready for that. Saints play the Bucks at 3:40 my time. Go Saints. So in the next video, maybe we'll try and get that other beauty cap on. Might have to remove this part of the window to do that. We'll tie these up, get them back, connect them to the amplifier, put the rest of the dash cluster together, get the lights hooked up and test them. I got to put batteries back in here. They're in the house for the winter. So yeah, next video we'll wrap this portion up. Yeah, it'll come together. So anyway, if you like what you're seeing so far, I'd appreciate it if you get down there, click subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified of all my future uploads. Give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down, either way. I'd appreciate the thumbs up, but either way. That way I know if you guys are liking or not liking. And that'll do it for me. Until next time, peace, and I'm out.